welcome back to my channel. Today's Brokers Open is in Highland Park and we're taking the scenic route. This is Monterey Road, which will take us into Highland Park. The home we're taking a look at is right here. It's 5041 Rangeview Avenue, LA 90042. This is living in Northeast LA with Victoria Munoz. So today is Tuesday. We usually go look at the Brokers Open, which is open to the public. It's just an open house. It's a sneak preview before the weekend with the general public. This is Monterey Road. It's a clear and beautiful day today. I love the way the weather is. It's not cold enough for sweaters, but just warm enough for you to wear just whatever, even shorts if you wanted to. So here is Highland Park. We will make a left turn on Avenue 60 and then a right on Figueroa and then another left on York. This home is located in the trendy part of Highland Park. I feel like Highland Park is trendy everywhere. So once we get to the home, I will go over the details of the home. So thanks for stopping by. This is Living in Northeast LA. If you're thinking about moving to Northeast Los Angeles, you can always contact me, call, text, or email me. I'll leave my information in case you're thinking about moving here. You could always get in touch with me. So enjoy the drive, and I will start the video or the audio again once we get to the listing. Okay, we got some really good parking. This is Range View Avenue in Highland Park. It's a Compass listing. The type of home and the details of the home you can find here. If you're interested in getting access to Compass technology, you can always click on the link in the description of the video and it will take you to this page so you can see more about the home, more about the schools in the area, more about the neighborhood. So with that said, let's continue to the open house. Oh, and it also gives you mortgage information. So if you want to scale up or scale down, you can do that as well. And also the Compass technology platform also gives you the comps, what's selling, what's active, pending, sold, what listings were withdrawn. That way you can have a better idea of what the housing market looks like in Northeast LA. Okay, we found a good parking space. Quick picture for the gram. Now we're off. So the crossing streets are York. It's between Avenue 50 and 51. The address is again 5041 Rangeview Avenue, LA 90042. This is what it looks like walking on the same side of the street as the open house. So here we go. It's a California bungalow. It was built in 1923. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's 1,926 square feet of living space. The lot size is 5,221 square feet. And I'm just going to read some of the remarks. It says, perched above the street and perfectly framed between two palms, this incredibly unique property with a recently built ADU offers a rare opportunity to own a mini compound in the heart of Highland Park, just moments away from all the fantastic shops and restaurants on vibrant York Boulevard. I love this room. It had guitars, it had everything that I like. I was like, oh, okay, so I didn't know this was part of it. So turned around, you can see the little office space. It does feel like a mini compound. I like how they listed that. So that way you feel like it's not just the office space, this little area in case you have like people that you rent out to. You really don't have to share the interior because the upstairs has its own shower and kitchen. So if it's like a multifamily or income property, I think this would be perfect as described, a mini compound. Okay, so that's the end of the tour. Thanks for stopping by. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're gonna literally go out for a treat. There's a donut place. It's called Donut Friend. I don't know why I thought it was called Donut Fiend because it's punk rock themed donuts. So there's an Angry Samoa right here instead of Samoan. So there's Angry Samoa. I picked the strawberry pistachio. I don't know what it's called. But anyhow, these donuts are gourmet. They're delicious. I got one plain one and then two of the donuts that are very sweet. So if you like coffee and donuts, they also have ice cream and shakes. It's Donut Friend and it's on York Boulevard. My husband ate the other half of that plain one. Okay, this is the drive home. Thanks for stopping by. This is Living in Northeast LA with Victoria.Munoz. Remember, if you're thinking about moving to Northeast LA or adjacent San Gabriel Valley areas, you can always like and subscribe, message me, and I will be more than happy to show you more real estate in Northeast LA. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.